everyone, welcome back to another POV review. Today we have this stunning black Lamborghini Urus SE. This car right here is Lamborghini's newest model. And so without further ado, let's get into the video. Firstly, let's start with the interior. Once we step inside this Urus, it is very premium and high quality in here, which could not be said about the old Urus, with its use of cheap looking materials all over the interior. Lamborghini uses materials like Alcantara, leather and metal all over the interior. Some examples are the paddle shifters, chrome bits, they are metal. And even the door handles. As per usual in any Lamborghini, you have the start-stop button underneath the flap. That turns on the accessory. As you can see, your SE pops up on your screen and you have a few dials which you can change around to your liking. As you can see, this is Strada. Then we have Sport. Then we have Corsa, which gives you this completely different dial design. Terra, which is terrain. This screen that we see here is just a redone Audi screen with different graphics, so you have everything that you would get in an Audi. You'll also have a second screen for your climate controls. One feature on it that I don't like is the armrest looks like it splits both ways, but you can only open it upwards. But at least you get a wireless mobile phone charger. You also get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. In the back, you have very easy to get to ISOFIX points, and you get 4-zone climate. Now let's move on to the outside. The back, as you can quite clearly see, it's very different from the old Urus. You get new fake ventage underneath the tail lamps, and a new rear bumper design. However, this vent is fully functional. We move on to the front, and as you can see, there is a completely new design on the front as well. The front bumper has been slightly tweaked, and you have a new set of headlamps, which looks sleeker and more modern compared to the old Urus. With the exterior now done, let's check out the specs. Under the bonnet, you have a 4.4 litre V8, the same one found in the RSQ8. It's even got the firing order on the engine cover. However, this engine is made with a hybrid system, and so it produces 780 horsepower. Overall, I think this car is, for once, better than the RSQ8, since it has more power, a better brand image, and a higher quality interior. And so my final verdict is, if you have the money, go right ahead and buy it.